Hey there, apartment investors. Today I'm diving deep into the essentials of legal due diligence for small apartment investments, a crucial step to ensure your investment is solid and risk-free. Let's unlock some secrets. First up, reviewing legal documents. You've got to scrutinize those lease agreements. Look for clauses about rent escalations, tenant responsibilities, and maintenance obligations. These details affect your income stability and property management. Don't overlook contracts with service providers either. Understand their terms, obligations, and potential costs. Next, let's talk title reports and property disclosures. Title reports reveal ownership history, easements, liens, and encumbrances. Always review property disclosures to spot any past or current issues, like environmental hazards or structural concerns. This helps you avoid nasty surprises down the line. Now, onto zoning and regulatory compliance. Make sure the property's zoning aligns with your intended use. Zoning issues can limit future development and renovations. Verify that the property complies with local building codes and has all necessary permits. Non-compliance can lead to fines or required modifications. Also understand any occupancy restrictions or rent control laws. These can limit rent increases and affect tenant turnover. Identifying pending litigation, liabilities, and encumbrances is crucial. Investigate any potential legal actions involving the property. Tenant disputes, unpaid contractor claims, or lawsuits against prior owners can impact value and operational costs. Assess environmental risks like contamination or lead-based paint, which might require costly remediation. Confirm any encumbrances such as access easements or restrictive covenants that could restrict property usage. Here's an example for you. When reviewing lease agreements, look for clauses about tenant maintenance obligations, rent escalation terms, and conditions for early lease termination. Identifying tenant disputes or unpaid rent helps you gauge cash flow stability and potential legal liabilities, and there you have it. Mastering legal due diligence is key to a successful investment. Stay informed, stay savvy, and protect your investment. Catch you next time.